Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Siddhi, a CBSE class 10 student and also your virtual study buddy. So welcome to my honest after school routine. So yeah, that's what I do, but it's not actually a routine, but yeah, let's go. So it's currently 4 o'clock in the evening and as you all can see, I just woke up from a nap and every time I wake up from my sleep, I feel like a monster. If anybody talks to me, I just cannot tolerate that. I just need 15 minutes of myself so that I can, recover from whatever happened. Yeah, it's like a weird thing that happens to me. As you all can see here, I'm reviewing my to-do list which I made yesterday because I just wanted to know the task which I had to complete. Also, guys, we are so close to 300 subscribers, and let's achieve this goal till the end of this month. So, yeah, go and subscribe. Firstly, I started by reading the NCRT of carbon and compounds because I was not even like 1% confident about this, even though it has already come in our pre boards, but I'm just not confident about it yet. So I was not even done with one fourth of the chapter, and it was already time for our class, our social science class of Abhay batch. So there's a really nice habit of me that whenever it's a class, I just review the previous notes of the previous class, which is I think very good. I just highlight the key points. This not only helps me to revise the things, but also a little bit of decoration is must now. Today it was our social science class at 5 p.m. and today's chapter was resource and development. Here already completed two chapters, one of civics and one of economics, and I have made the notes also. Also, let me know in the comments how many of you are a part of Abhay batch so that I can know that how many of you guys are my classmates. Today's class was a bit glitchy, so I had to complete a bit of it after the class ended. So it took me a bit of more time. After my class ended, I took a 10 minutes break and then I started doing the PYQs of maths. So I was doing the PYQs of chapter polynomials. I've already done that way before, but it was a long time, so I'm just doing all the PYQs again for my practice. And also, I was checking the answers once I've completed the questions because I don't want any errors. Also, my pre-boards results are out and I'm gonna share them with you guys soon. So stay tuned for that video also. Alright, so this is what I got in like 45 minutes or something. And as you all can see, I like doing maths very neatly and cleanly because I just don't like when people do maths very messy. It's just so disturbing for me. And guess what? It was already time for my second class of Abhay batch, and today it was science at 9 p.m. Firstly, I revised the notes of chapter life processes because it was the chapter which was completed in the last class, and from today on, the new chapter was to be started. A lot of you guys might be wondering, but why am I making the notes of the chapters again? So, let me be honest, I was not regular in like RM batch, which I regret the most. But now that I'm back on the path and I'm regularly attending the classes, so I guess I'm just gonna stay on top of the things. And yeah, so today's chapter was chemical reactions and equations, which is like the easiest chapter for me after life processes. The class ended by 10:30 and this was all I got. And at the same time, while attending the class, I ate my dinner for which we had dal and chawal. Alright, guys, that's all I studied that day. And also, I don't have any specific routine or something which I follow. I just try to study smart, stay productive, and focused throughout the day. So, yeah, guys, if you watched the video till here, make sure to comment tomato with the tomato emoji. And see you guys until the next one. Till then, bye bye.